14, so we will add 14, 8 in 4 to 14 to get 22, and then multiply 3584 by 22 to get the next number. So let me do it using a calculator. 3584 into 22 is equal to 78848. So the next number is 7, 8, 8, and 4, 8. So as we said, it's simple, 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 4 is 32. 32 into 8 is 256. 256 into 14 is 3584. And we see that these numbers, which are these series numbers are getting multiplied, are 2, 4, 8, and 14. So we find the difference between these numbers. 2 plus 2 is 4, and then in 4 you add 4 to get 8, and then in 8 you get 14 to get 8. So the next number should be, we should add 8 plus 8 in 14 to get the next multiplicand. So we multiply then 22, 14 plus 8, 22 with 3584 to get 78848. So that's the correct answer to this question. So see, it's very simple. It's always one of these. First of all, you have to see addition, subtraction, and then whether it means it is an arithmetic sequence, and then you have to see whether it's a geometric sequence, and you have to see multiplication, division, square, and cube. It's always one of these. So now we have another sequence now. The sequence is 11, 23, 48, 99, and 409. This is a little bit difficult, but if we follow again our method to see if it's arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, we will be easily able to solve it. So arithmetic sequence, addition, let's see. Yes, 11 plus, how much you add in 11 to get 23? 12 plus 12 is 24. So 11 plus 11 is 22, so this is 12. 11 plus 12 is 23. And then 48 minus 23 is 8 and 3, 5, and 4 and 2 is 2. So you add 25 in 23 to get 28. So the gap here is 25. Now what is the gap here? The gap here is 48 into 48 is 96 plus 3. So 48 plus 3 is, it is 51. So 48 plus 51 is 99. So what you will get here in between 99 and 409? Let's see some pattern here. First is 12 and this 25, and then is 15 added, 51 added. So 25, so 12, let's see if there is some pattern. 12 plus 13 is 25, and then 12 plus 13 is 25, and then 25 plus 26 is 51. So 12 plus 13 means 12 into 2, which is 24, plus 1, 25 into 2, which is 50, plus 1. So you see, the pattern is you always add in the next number. To get the next number, you add 12. For example, you added 12 into 2, which is 24, which was 24. And then if you minus 1 from it, it is 23. You see? Like this. The next one is 25 is the gap. So 25 into 2, which is 50. But this is 48, right? So 50. So you see 25 into 2 is equal to 50 minus 2, which is 48. 51, which is this distance, into 2 is equal to 102 minus 3, which is 99.